All right, and right now we can have a look about the assembling scenario. Right next to me is our assembling for the drawing machines. Our drawing machine is really flexible. You have a micro slide type or a slide type. For the micro type, we have many advantages. For example, you can more economic and more powerful sources, and also you can support, like if you have one motor is down, other motors also working. For the slide type, it has also competitive prices. So based on your needs, we can support on your requirements, like high capacity or low capacity. And you can have a look, like we have really tough and solid materials. It's like 200 millimeters for the wall of the motors. And also the gearbox, we're using the top notch and the famous brand in the international. So if you want to have more information for our machines, you can contact us just right in the link below, and we have more conversation later.